Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on your MacBook Air. Since the game isn't natively available for Mac OS, you'll need to use a workaround. We'll explore two main methods, using a virtual machine to run Windows or employing compatibility layers like Wine. Both approaches allow you to enjoy the game, but they have different setup requirements and performance characteristics. Let's dive into the details. One popular method is to use a virtual machine. Software like Parallels Desktop or VMware Fusion allows you to install a full Windows operating system directly on your MacBook Air. Once Windows is running, you can then download and install Geometry Dash through Steam, just as you would on a PC. This method offers excellent compatibility, but requires a Windows license and sufficient storage space. Alternatively, you can use compatibility layers such as Wine or a commercial product like Crossover. These tools translate Windows commands into Mac OS commands, allowing many Windows applications to run without a full operating system installation. While setup can be a bit more technical, it often requires fewer system resources than a virtual machine, making it a good option for some users. To ensure the best experience, optimize your setup. If using a virtual machine, allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores for smooth gameplay. Regardless of your chosen method, close any unnecessary background applications to free up resources. Also, make sure your MacBook Air has ample free storage. With these steps, you'll be enjoying Geometry Dash in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.